Facebook, and happy Sunday everyone. So I want to vent. Alright, I'm gonna vent. Cause my pum pum hurt me. I know my murder everything, I know my husband pum pum and bad things, but I think when we made those vows, it should have said something with pum pum need at least 2 day break. Why did my money can't get enough? It's like, oh, when you get them out 3 times a day, and then one time when you say no, it's a problem. Why do my money so inconsiderate when it comes to your pum pum? Right now my pum pum so friggin' sore. I can't even put on no panty, I can't even sit down. And me game about 3 times already. And I want to look at the man say, yo, give me a little quick and I tell him no, so my pum pum hurt me. Why I don't know me marry you and we can't get pussy, and me want to get pussy and be a things. Come on, pussy tired. It's a hot me. It's sore. That's why. Why do my man you so inconsiderate, man? You come out with them feel like we pum pum and no feelings. And every day we kinda fuck so. Jesus Christ. I truly don't know much pain me in right now. Come like this a man you just want to live in a mind while my pum pum now gonna drop on the floor behind me. My pum pum need rest. It has feelings. And right now my pum pum is frustrated. And that may I tell you, it's frustrated. Anyway, y'all, ladies, we just needed to prevent cause I don't understand them, man. The one look at time when I say no to the man, it's a problem. That they feel like we are robots. You know me, I say them need to understand certain things. When you're not living a woman all day in, day out, sometimes you need rest. Because it's sore and it hurt. Stop just thinking about your body alone. We need rest. We pum pum need rest. Alright guys, I'm in the kitchen, I'm gonna look crazy, me a roll up, but yeah, but I cook my Sunday dinner. Anyway, pray for me. Because I'm going to go down the room and give my backers so I can shut the hell up. What am I tell you them in life here? Alright, talk to you guys soon. Oh, real quick. Because my Mother's Day day, it's May 7th. May 7th. I want y'all to bring out your mothers. Who's the mother or you have a mother, bring her out. It's no smoking allowed. It's going to be a beautiful, classy event. I want all mothers to come out and enjoy yourselves. Alright, so remember May 7th is my Mother's Day dance, and live we'll be singing Ghost. You will be there singing straight for a whole hour, no interruptions, and then after that we're gonna dance the night away. So big up on yourself, enjoy this lovely Sunday afternoon, and talk to you guys later. And don't judge me. I just want to talk to the woman for look, because I know the woman know they understand. Them man don't have no pum pum principle, they don't understand certain things. Alright, later.